So it's the next day, April 2nd. Got everything about all split. Just got to clean the area up now. Those are all knotty pieces, really knotty pieces. Can't do nothing with them. Yeah. And the splitter's broke. So something broke. The ram ain't going back. So don't know what's wrong with it. We'll address that later and then work at getting this cleaned up. So it's a beautiful day out here today. Beautiful. Hardly any wind for the moment. And it's supposed to be like 53, 55 today. Yay. Good day to be outside. Got everything done here. Took the skid loader and carried them other pieces over there and got rid of them. But I got a smaller fork here, right here, with teeth that are closer together, that I can go around and rake the piles up closer than take my bigger fork there and rake them and pick them up and load them in the gator and get rid of them. So that's what this rake here does with the teeth that are close together. And if I want to go even better, or even clean it up even better, I can take this leaf rake here and do a better job with it. Just like that, a trusty leaf rake comes in handy. I see we're missing a few teeth, but man, these things are good. They're nice and thick too. These leaf rakes to get this stuff picked up out of here. That's all embedded in the ground. I don't know how you'd really get that picked up. You wouldn't. But got the piles cleaned up, and now we'll go ahead and start loading out. Kind of didn't really think I'd be able to get all of it on, but I guess I did. And the area is pretty much well cleaned. We'll come back and get that stuff there and haul it over home then. Go back and get rid of this first. So back to this log splitter dilemma. The pump went bad. That's never good. Had a feeling it was the pump because, nothing happened, but I don't know. It's kind of funny how stuff like that works. Oh shoot, not good. Had one drop on the road I had picked up right quick. Crap. Whew. What a job. Man. Okay, so we got a new hydraulic pump here. That's what took a poop. So hopefully it'll work. Or no, was it this? I don't know. But hopefully it's up and running now. I'll go ahead and get hooked up. Okay, so we're all hooked up. Just leave it sit on there like I've done for years and not even bother hooking it, because if you ever do get it to go on, you can never get it off. So, but I do hook safety chains up to ensure that it don't come loose. So yeah, that's all we got, to split. So let's get back to splitting. So the dozer's in here now, and got the filters here on the workbench, air, and 3 fuel and an oil, or 2 oil, or yeah, 2 oil, 1 fuel, or 2 fuel and 1 oil. I don't know. Burn that bridge when we get to it. Thanks for watching, guys, and please comment, rate, and subscribe. Don't forget to check out Ag Talk. Thanks for watching, guys. Alrighty, good afternoon, YouTube. Good morning, good afternoon, good day. We made some tracks here in the driveway from when we moved the dozer earlier. So we're going to get the Heston out and going to do some blading in the driveway.